Expressing dislikes politely. Adjectives make it easy. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to focus on an important topic in conversational English: expressing dislikes. But we're not just talking about any expression. We're delving into polite ways to express dislikes using adjectives. So, sit back, relax, and let's learn together. Polite adjectives, as the name suggests, are adjectives used to express a dislike or disinterest in a polite, gentle manner. They are less direct, less harsh, and are generally more acceptable in conversation, especially in professional or formal contexts. For instance, instead of saying, "I hate spinach," you could say, "I find spinach a bit unappealing." Here, unappealing is a polite adjective that expresses dislike. Let's dive into a list of polite adjectives that you can use to express dislikes. Unappealing, not attractive or enjoyable. Uninteresting, not arousing curiosity or interest. Unsuitable, not fitting or appropriate. Unpleasant, not enjoyable or comfortable. Disagreeable, not pleasing or likable. Remember, using these adjectives doesn't mean you're lying about your feelings. It just means you're presenting them in a more socially acceptable way. Now that we have a list of polite adjectives, let's put them into use. Here are some examples. The movie was a bit uninteresting to me. I found the music quite unpleasant. The dessert was unsuitable for my taste. His behavior was slightly disagreeable. The decor was rather unappealing. Notice the use of adverbs like slightly, a bit, quite, and rather before the adjectives to soften the tone further. Time for you to practice. Try to create your own sentences using these polite adjectives. Remember, practice makes perfect. And there we have it, folks. We've explored how to express dislikes in a polite way using adjectives. Remember, expressing your feelings is important, but so is how you express them. Being polite doesn't mean you're less honest. It just means you're considerate of others' feelings. We hope you found this video helpful, and remember, keep practicing. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next video.